Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod rin sa Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Sige po, ang ating pong reading ngayon ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Virgo. Okay, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Takes what only resonates. At kapag naka-resonate po kayo, ay don't forget to comment, like, and share, and of course, subscribe po ang ating channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates na buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood, nakaabang at nagbibigay nakakatapat sa puso na komento. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ulitin ko, this is for you, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This is a general reading, ha? So, ayun. I hope you're in a good condition, you're safe, you're healthy, and you're happy. Sige, last one shuffle for you, Virgo, at kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha. Okay, kamusta po kayong lahat? Sige. Spirit Universe. Okay, napakita ka. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Virgo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So, meron dito. Kunin ko to. Yan, 2. 3. 7 more cards please. 4. 5. Okay. Last 5 cards. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 6. 7. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kung wala po kayo ay walang success na Friends ng Tarot Channel. Mula noon hanggang ngayon ay andyan pa rin po kayo, hindi nyo ko iniwan. And to our new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I hope na magustuhan nyo, mabless kayo ng ating mga readings na pinagsasamahan. Sige, kompleto na yung 10 baraha, Virgo, wag na nating patagalin pa. Okay, Virgo, this is a very beautiful opening card, Queen of Pentacles. Kasi I know na karamihan sa mga Virgo ngayon ay nag-struggle or yung stress, yung problema na pinagdadaanan ay may kilalaman sa pera. But this Queen of Pentacles, sorry. This Queen of Pentacles is a card showing that the universe is telling you, Virgo, kinakausap ka ng universe kayo na you don't need to worry about your finances. There's a hope, may solusyon sa lahat. In just a perfect timing, in the coming days ahead, after mo mapanood ito, solve na lahat ng problema mo sa kapirahan. Because this Queen of Pentacles is a message of hope, recovery, lalong-lalo na kapag pera ang pinag-uusapan. So Virgo, still, relax, okay? I-calm ang iyong sarili, kalma sapagkat may solusyon ang lahat. May paparating na tulong. May mga taong lalapit sa inyo na kusang magbibigay ng tulong. You don't expect it, hindi mo pa alam na aware pala sila sa pinagdadaanan mo. And that's why you will be really surprised about these people. But don't worry about finances, may paparating na tulong sa'yo. So, ito, ayan na, nagkakaroon na ng liwanag ang mga araw na dumadaan para sa Virgo. Kung mga nakaraang linggo, nakaraang araw, you are at the lowest point of your life. You are at the age of giving up. It seems na hindi mo naiintindihan ang nangyayari sa buhay mo. You are asking yourself, am I still worthy? Pagpapatuloy ko ba to? Saan ba ako patungo? But here is a celebration card, Virgo. So 4 of Wands represents celebration, good news coming on your way. It will make you happy. It will make you relieved. Okay, matatanggal lahat ng mga agam-aga, mga worries and stress mo. So this is a recovery period for you. So just hold on. Okay, just put your faith on the universe and to God. Kasi lahat ng bagay, lahat ng problema ay may hangganan. May solusyon ng lahat. So you will going to regain your momentum, Virgo, and there will be a celebration in the soonest time ahead for you. Sige. And we have here the Hierophant. So, any wishes, any manifestations na parang lately ay hindi nag-work para sa'yo, it seems that there are blockages sa feeling mo, bakit ganun ngayon lang nangyari sa buhay mo ito, na parang kung dati lahat ng mga minamanifest mo, lahat ng mga pinagdarasal mo, ini-wish mo, ang bilis na mag-grant sa'yo. But now, these past days, it seems that there's still no answers for you. Gulong-gulo ka, bakit parang wala talaga, parang hindi talaga umuusad. But this Hierophant card, Virgo, is telling you that your wishes and your manifestations are on the way, it will be granted. This Hierophant card represents the spirit guides that you have, yung ancestors mo, the angels that is protecting you. So if you see this video at the same time, every time you wake up, every time you check your phone or whatever places nakakakita ka ng mga angel numbers, so that is the sign that you are protected. The universe wants to communicate with you. The spirit guides are pinapakita sa iyo na be still, kalmahan lang kasi andito kami sa likod mo. Maybe hindi pa ngayon, hindi mo pa ngayon naiintindihan ng lahat. But we are working on your side. Ina-assure ka ng universe na talagang niluluto pa malapit na Virgo. So, you just need to hold on. Tatagan mo lang ang loob mo. Pasasaan at makakabangon ka din. Okay? So, Hierophant, manifestations, wishes being granted. Okay. So we have here 3 of 1. So this is about learning. This is about discipline. So you, after all these struggles, kapag nalagpasan mo ito, kapag bumangon ka at pinadala na ni universe ang tulong, ang sagot dito, and of course you will be relieved. Sabi ko nga, Virgo, may ibsan lahat ng worries mo at mga pagdududa or mga stress mo. So here you're going to face the new world, the reality, with a lot of learning. So marami kang matututunan sa sitwasyon na yan na pinagdadaanan mo. Marami kang makukuhang mga insights, or even you and yourself, you will formulate or makakabuo ka ng mga panibagong mga ideas and mga panibagong prinsipyo sa buhay na lately ay parang hindi mo ina-apply sa sarili mo. Of course, it's the failures, it's the problems that teaches us kung ng mga bagay-bagay na dapat nating matutunan. Okay? Kung ano man yung matutunan mo na yan at gagawin mo, so that should not be questioned by anyone. Hindi ka pwedeng husgahan yan sapagkat yan ang natutunan mo during those time na you are at the edge of giving up. So you are in your darkest moment, Virgo. So for example, itong 3 of 1, for example, naka-recover ka, isa sa natutunan mo ay yung i-value yung mga tao na andyan nung mga oras ng darkest moment mo na tumulong talaga sa iyo, hindi man financially, hindi man kung anong bagay, resources, but at least pinalakas ang loob mo. Ito yung mga tao. So now you will realize na hindi na ako magiging available sa ibang tao. I will now give value. I will just, protect my peace. Parang ganon. So parang you just going to enjoy the moment with those people. Talagang makikilala mo na yung mga sarili mong tao or talagang naniniwala sa iyo, and even your lowest point in life ay andyan para damayan ka, tulungan ka. So, okay, Virgo, I hope you are okay. So there's a recovery period talaga in terms of money. So you don't need to worry kasi dito may mga may mga tulong na parating, may mga panibagong opportunities na maaaring i-offer sa iyo na may kinalaman sa pagbibigay ng stability ng finances. Okay? So although sabihin mo paanong swerte ang Virgo this year, grabe ang pinagdadaanan ko. Yes. You are being purged. Talagang pinipiga ka ng universe for you to, learn, for you to be ready sa mga mas malaking biyaya na parating sa'yo, di ba? I believe, ako personally, ang paniniwala ko is kapag, kumbaga, down na ako, hindi ko na malaman ang lahat, hindi ko na alam kung paano i-handle ang problema. And that's the point that I'm happy kasi I know that something big is coming or may mas malaking parating, and it's a blessing in disguise. So, ganyan. So, maybe I respect kasi hindi pare-pareho ang tao, hindi pare-pareho ang pag-handle ng problema. But on my own belief, ganon. So, nakapag talagang pigang-piga ka na hindi mo namin tindihan. So, you should prepare yourself kasi dyan na bigla ibubuhos na ang biyaya or yung blessings and good news for you. Okay? I hope na nasusundan nyo. And maraming salamat ulitin ko kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel. Welcome to our channel. At kapag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe po. Mag-comment na rin po kayo kapag naka-resonate kayo. Like and share na rin po sa ating mga videos. Okay? Let's continue, Virgo, sa yung general reading. So, King of Pentacles. Oh my God. Look. This is not a coincidence. Katapat niya ang Queen, yung nasa baba ay King. So, what does it mean, Virgo? Maniwala kayo sa akin. There's a recovery period. This is not only a recovery period, but this will be a big turnaround. Kumbaga, alam mo, if you're a sporty person, like kagabi, I saw the game of Alex Ayala. who would thought na sa third set 5-2. So, isang panalo na lang ng kalaban, tapos ng laban. Pero, naka-catch up pa si Alex to the point na natalo niya pa yung kalaban niya. So, hindi lang to basta hope, hindi lang to basta recovery. Talagang, mas malalagpasan mo pa yung una. O, kumbaga, mas malaki pa to sa ini-expect mo. Okay? Because, ayan, magkatapat. Queen and King. It is very rare na yung dalawang barahan na to ay, should partner. Ilan naman natin partner, magka-partner ang King and Queen, and pareho pa sila pera. So it means talagang there will be a recovery period at the same time stability. Kapag nakabangon ka sa kaperahan, so magtutuloy-tuloy na ito. It's because you will be wise now. So, mas matututo ka na sa pag-handle ng finances mo. And at the same time, tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng kaperahan para sa Virgo. Believe me. So, we have the Queen of Swords. So there will be expect communications na kahit hindi ka nag-open ng, kumbaga kahit hindi ikaw yung nag-initiate na mag-una makipag-communicate, expect communication from people na you will be surprised they care for you. Siguro nalaman nila sa iba mong kaibigan, sa iba mong family members ang pinagdadaanan mo, and they will reach out to you. So there will be a communication for you, Virgo. And i-entertain mo to. Siguro kung medyo mabigat pang nararamdaman mo, still have time to entertain these messages or communication, reply to them. Kasi malay mo sila pala ipapadala ng universe na makatulong sa problema mo. Entertain people. So, everyone, all walks of life, i-entertain mo sila. Tanggapin mo communication. If you need to respond it, mag-respond. Kung kaya mo mag-respond, respond. So, you just need to open yourself for communication. Wag mong isasara ang iyong buhay sa pakikipag-communicate kasi you are in a darkest moment, nasa madilim ka na chapter ng buhay mo, tapos syempre hindi mo yan masusolusyonan mag-isa, kailangan mo ng tulong sa ibang tao. That's why if there's someone, kapag may mag-reach out sa'yo na ganito, kailangan open yung linya mo. Okay? So expect some people makikipag-communicate sa'yo. Maybe these people ay medyo natagal nang hindi mo na nakausap, but now they will be reaching out to you again, Virgo. So, Empress at magkatapat sa Hierophant. So, there will be not only recovery period in terms of finances, there will be recovery periods in terms of your personality. Babawiin mo yung napabayaan mo yung sarili mo, hindi ka nakapag-ayos, babawiin mo yung time na puyat ka. Sa health also, siguro napabayaan mo, hindi ka nakapag-exercise, sa looks mo, whatsoever, kasi nga medyo grabe yung pinagdaanan mo. Di ba pag ganyan yung tao, kapag may pinagdadaanan, hindi na naaasikaso ang sarili. So, you will be recovering that time also. The time, the presence, the energy na nawaldas mo or parang nasayang mo. Okay, Virgo. So, magkatapat sila ng Hierophant. So, it also comes with your manifestation. Siguro, kung feeling mo may mga manifestations ka, mga wishes ka na hindi nag-work, why don't you try to change something, for example? Why don't you try to magpagupit? Bagong look naman. Kasi malay mo, yan yung mag-work para sa'yo. Kasi parang napapansin, parang lahat ng mga minamanifest ko hindi nag-work sa akin. Sige, try nga ako ng bago. Or maybe, for example, ako, dati, kung wala kang salamin, and why don't you try to wear an eyeglass? Parang something like, baguhin mo naman para maybe that will work for your manifestations. Something about improving yourself. Okay, bawiin mo yan. Tatakpan ko to kasi may evil eye daw, Virgo. May mga taong nag-send sa'yo ng bad wishes. So, siguro aware ka dyan, Virgo, kung sino man yan. Wala ka namang ginagawang masama. You're being true to yourself. You're doing everything to settle the problems. But still, siguro itong mga tao na to, hindi naiintindihan ang sitwasyon mo. That's why, siguro sa emotion nila, nadadala sila. That's why they are sending bad vibes for your evil eye. They are to the point that they are cursing you. But little did they know na kahit anong ibato nila sa'yo, because Virgo is a karmic person, bumabalik naman to sa kanila. Babalikan sila nito. Lalong-lalo na kapag nasaktan ka. Magkatapat sila ng 3 of Wands. So, what the universe is telling you kapag may mga ganitong tao, may confrontation, you just need to face them. Harapin mo sila, wag kang magtago, wag mo silang i-deadma. You need to communicate. Magpakumbaba ka pa rin. Pagdadaanin pa rin sa pakiusapan, sa pakikiusap ng mahinahon, maayos. So, ganito po. Susolusyonan naman lahat ang problema. But, there's a person talaga na siguro nadala lang ng emosyon or maybe hindi naman talaga sila totally masamang tao. But because maybe of the situations na talagang gulong-gulo na, overwhelmed na yung sitwasyon, that's why naisip nila ito or naibato nila ito mga bad wishes for you. And also, di ba, alam naman natin yan, Virgo, you are prone to evil eye kahit noon pa. Kahit hindi sa ngayon. So, marami talaga mga tao parang naiirita sa presence mo. It's because aside from you're talented and you're very intelligent, you are very gifted. You have a lot of gifts na hindi nila kayang gawin. That's why they are being intimidated, naiinggit. So, hindi na to bago. This is not a surprise for you, Virgo. 10th and last card, tapusin natin itong general reading mo, Virgo, with this Fool. Okay. Fool card represents joy, at the same time something new, something fresh for you. So, you will be happy in the soonest time, magiging masaya talaga. Just take it easy. Huwag bibiglayin ang sarili. Here comes the sun, so you will be positive again. You will be regaining the confidence for you. You deserve it. Part yan ng buhay, Virgo. Cheer up. Ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan, ngayon ka pa mag-give up. Okay. You should remember that andito yung King and Queen of Pentacles. I know that the bottom line of this reading is all about, ang worry mo and stress mo is all about finances. But, since we have here the celebration card, in soonest time, hindi na to tatagal, pasusolusyonan din yan. Just need to help yourself. Ikaw ang tutulong sa sarili mo. By having a positive mindset and facing the reality in a calmer way. Sa medyo kalma kasi wala namang magagawa kung magbumukmo ka at magpapaka-stress ka. Okay? You will be recovering, you will be regaining your confidence, you will be happy again. So, don't worry, Virgo. Babalik pa rin ang dati sa lahat para sa'yo. Okay? So, that's it. It's a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasasign ng Virgo ng kapanood ngayon. And kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo para mabasa ko, ma-replyan ko kayong lahat. Like and share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pamamahal. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.